What's the meaning of birdwatching? Birdwatching. Birdwatching.
Birdwatching. Birdwatching. Birdwatching is a popular activity enjoyed by nature enthusiasts around the world. It involves observing and studying birds in their natural habitats, often using binoculars or telescopes to get a closer look. Birdwatchers observe the bird's physical characteristics, behaviors, and interactions with their environment, and may keep records or participate in scientific research projects. Some birdwatchers also enjoy photographing or sketching the birds they see. Birdwatching can be a peaceful and meditative experience, as it requires patience, focus, and an appreciation for the natural world. It can also be a social activity, with birdwatching clubs and events bringing together enthusiasts to share knowledge and experiences.